A breakthrough reported in the New York Times just caught my eye, one that could reshape how we treat chronic inflammatory diseases. It's not another drug, not another biological immunotherapy. It's a tiny battery-powered device that wraps around the vagus nerve in the neck. In my role as science translator, I wanted to explain why this is such a cutting-edge and futuristic development. This implant works by tapping into the body's own feedback systems. Instead of suppressing immunity like most drugs do, it rebalances it. That means less inflammation without the dangerous side effects of immunosuppression. So what does this look like in real life? Meet Dawn Steiner, featured in the article. She's a 58-year-old speech pathologist living with rheumatoid arthritis for over 15 years. She'd cycled through 8 different drugs. Each one eventually failed, leaving her with pain and swollen joints. After receiving the implant in 2023, her pain levels dropped from a 6 or 7 on the pain scale to about a 2. She can walk again, attend concerts, and without the immunosuppression can even go to ball games. In her words, I literally feel like I got my life back. So why am I bringing this up? What does this have to do with acupuncture and my clinic? The man behind this technology, Dr. Kevin Tracy, has spent decades proving that vagus nerve is the body's master switch for inflammation. And if you've read my book, you'll know I've been following his research closely because acupuncture also affects the vagus nerve. When I use acupuncture in the clinic, or even non-invasive methods like transcutaneous auricular vagal nerve stim, which is basically a vibrating clip on the ear, we're also turning down the volume on inflammation. The difference? Acupuncture and ear stimulation are non-surgical, repeatable, and safe. For patients with severe rheumatoid arthritis, the implant could be life-changing, and in time, it may be approved for other inflammatory conditions as well. But while we wait, the tools we already have, acupuncture, auricular stimulation, even simple ear tags can boost vagal activity right now. And when you improve your vagal tone, you reduce inflammation, you sleep better, your mood improves, and the whole system moves toward a healthier, longer life. A win-win. So thanks for watching. Please drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for health and longevity tips.